Hi guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing with you. I will be showing what this package contains, which is the Beyond the Page full year math curriculum, which includes 9 units, a binder, and a materials kit. So let me show you what this all looks like. Alright, so I will be showing each of the 9 units and their table of contents, and then at the end I will show a more in-depth flip through on one of the units. So the 9 units it comes with is numbers, proportions, expressions, probability, functions, geometry, linear equations, data, and the last one is semester exams. The next thing I will be showing is the materials kit, and I will be having my son unboxing that since he was so excited to see what was in the box. Oh, what's in there?
Yeah. Well, what this is, it's like 3D shapes. Sphere, cone, see, look, ice cream cone, and a cylinder.
So I added here exactly what this math kit includes in case you guys want to pause and look at it.
Got dice, balls, sticky note, and a little spinning wheel.
Okay, cool.
What this is a calculator. As you can see, it's still in its case. And this is marker and paint materials. And this is, I don't know what this is.
You're not on camera.
I don't know what this thing is. And I don't know what this is. Is this like chalk?
Oh yeah, but it's broken.
It's chalk, but it's
But
broken.
it tells you right here when you will be using it. So each bag is labeled with so like this one. Wait, hold on. This one is for Unit 6 Geometry.
Final package.
And you will be using this for the final project, yeah. So everything's labeled. And you can turn it around and it tells you what it is.
This is like paper. Or like a paint.
And then this is for
Final project.
final project, yeah.
So what this is, it's like more notebook paper, and it comes with a really good yellow see-through ruler and cardboard. And what this is, yellow paper.
Okay, the next thing that I wanted to show is the interactive notebook, which is a binder. And it's labeled with different numbers here, and it corresponds with different units. So unit 1, numbers, unit 2, proportions, expressions, and it so on and so on. So you could put your worksheets and your notes in whichever one it corresponds to. And this is really cool because the student could just go back and review anything, any concepts that they forgot or that they need extra help with, and everything's just in this binder, so it's all ready to go. So I really like that they added this into this curriculum package. So I also wanted to show a little bit of what the curriculum contains. So this is the unit we will be using, which is numbers, and the first thing that I will show is the table of contents. This is everything that is being taught in this unit. It gives you how to use Beyond the Page, the unit review sheet, and what materials you need to teach this unit. And yeah, it's a very helpful couple of pages in the front before you start your lesson. So this first lesson starts off with positive and negative rational numbers. It tells you how many days this should take, which is 3 days. It gives you an overview of what this lesson is all about, and then it goes into your first activity. Okay, so the first lesson here, the first activity is combining to make 0, and it teaches you the lesson right here, and then it tells you at the end of the lesson if you have worksheets, and here it does have a worksheet, and then it goes on to the next activity. So the next activity would be activity 2, which would be multiplying positive and negative integers, and sometimes it does have web links. So here it has the QR code that you could scan, and it takes you straight to video links and other useful information. And some lessons have that, some lessons don't. And here I just wanted to show what the worksheets look like. So here I just wanted to show a couple more pages of what the curriculum looks like, and it's basically set up the same way for each lesson. It goes with the lesson overview, activities, worksheets, video links, and then it goes on to the next lesson. And then at the end you have a final project, which I will be showing, and it's just taking all the concepts that your student has learned and applying it to this one big project, and it's pretty cool. And then at the very end of this book is the parent guide, or they call it the parent overview, where it has more teaching tips and the answer key and all of that. So as you can see, a lot more information here. So here in the back of the book, it gives you the schedule for first and second semester. First semester goes over numbers, proportions, expressions, probability, and then the second semester is functions, geometry, linear equations, data, and semester exams. So yeah, that's what the whole math curriculum for Beyond the Page ages 11 to 13 includes, and I hope you enjoy the video, and see you next time.